Hi friends, it's Julia. I am here with day number 1 of my Counterfeit Kit Challenge series for February 2022. This month I have started with a couple of partial packs of Close to My Heart paper. You will have seen that in my kit build video, and I will refer you back to that one to see which lines the papers came from. I am starting here. I pulled in just a scrap white paper. It's one that I was never going to use the front side of that, so I pulled it in to use the back side for the white base. And I pulled in this Close to My Heart paper. It is a former Christmas paper, but it is old and it is super thin. So I need something to mount that onto because that is going to be my background. And then I pulled in this yellow with the border strip here. I'm thinking I'm going to have the green at the bottom, the pink at the top, or sorry, the yellow at the top, and maybe that border strip that's here, put it in between. If not, I have some washi strips that I might use to go in between. I'm thinking these bold, bright colors. Most of those are going to be covered up by the photos, so you're not going to see those anyway. But I want to have something there. And I'm following along with the sketch from Pagemaps February 2023. So it is the third row, first sketch. I'll show you a close-up here in just a minute. So I have pulled in these 3 pocket page cards, the 4x6 and then one 3x4. That one I plan to do my journaling on. And I pulled in my tags because the inspiration looks like it has tags. So I'm probably going to use this larger tag that I have. This is the largest one that I have. And I'm probably going to use that to create my background tags that will go under the photos. Here are the photos. I'm going to cut these down so you just get my granddaughter and the puppy in the backyard to go on top of those. So we'll see. Once I get the tags cut, I'll have a better idea of how small I'm going to cut those photos. I have also pulled in the stickers, the 2 sticker sheets that came with the original kit. I have pulled in these acrylic shapes. There's multiple shapes on here that I want to try and get used. At least one on this layout. That would make me feel better. These are my alphabet sets. They are the same one. I just have 3 sets of them. I pulled in a couple of labels, and yes, I pulled in that one sheet with the one singular label on it. I'm determined I'm going to use this one on my first layout. I pulled in some enamel dots and puffy stickers for some embellishment around the page. I also pulled in my stamp set for that just in case. You never know. Just in case I need something from here, I'll have it. I have also pulled in my paper flowers, right? I have also pulled in all the chipboard shapes that were left over from the larger sheet, and also all the hearts. I'm pretty sure I'm probably going to use at least a heart or 2 on here. And these are Freckled Fauna. No, these are from Close to My Heart. So we'll see what I can pull to use from there. If I use the flowers, I pulled in the brads to be my centerpieces, or I could use the yellow enamel dots, or I could use the yellow puffy stickers. I don't know yet, but I want to have enough here to play with just in case. These are the acrylic shapes, the flare, the little faux flare buttons, the sequins, the acrylic words, any number of embellishments there. These are the cardstock and the vellum pieces that came with the kit. And these are the butterflies that came with the kit. If I decide to use something from inside this bin, I have them all here. So I'm going to have all of these little bits and pieces sitting here. I'm not going to commit to the additional finishing touches just yet. I want to work a little bit more on getting my layout grounded. So first I'll show you a close-up of the sketch. I'm not going to do a fast forward on this one or go through the whole process with you. It's faster for me if I just go off, finish this, and come back and show you my finished project. But this is where I'm starting. So I hope you will stick around and watch the video through the end when I show you what I have created with this conglomeration of stuff. Anyway, guys, I will be back in just a minute. Okay friends, I'm done. Let me show you what I didn't use. The brads in these 2 packs, the green ones and then the multicolor ones in here, I didn't use. All the little die cuts, the vellum and the paper ones, didn't use. The sequins, did not use. The flowers, did not use. The butterflies, did not use. So all of those things will go back into my stash. The enamel dots and the puffy stickers also did not use any of those. Again, back into my stash, and I didn't use the stamp set. What I did use was the background paper. Just like I said, I was going to cut this one down. I thought I might use this border strip and then opted not to. I did go ahead and use the washi strips that I have here. And these, I use this multicolor one here, and these are just shy of 6 inches on each of these, because you can see there's still a bit of paper left on there. So they're just a little bit shy. So I had a gap in the middle, so I had to create an embellishment cluster right there in the middle to kind of disguise that. I did use the tag die to cut out tags from all 3 of these. So those, I'll keep these larger pieces here. I might want to use them somehow or another. Y'all know I don't throw anything away until I'm done. These labels I used 3 of. That pocket page card I used a portion of at the top. These I used 1 of the acrylic pieces from here. I did use 3 of the brads here. I used a blue one, a dark green one, and a red one. I did use the very last label from that package. Woo! I feel accomplished already. First layout, and I feel so accomplished. I did use stickers from each of these 2 sticker sheets. I used 1 here and then 1, 2, 3 here. I used a flare and then a couple of the flat faux flare, faux brad, whatever you want to call those, and I used some of the chipboard pieces. I created my title with this alpha set, and I did have to go into multiple sets to create my title. And then as a reminder, this is the one that I used with the tags, and here is the layout that I created. You can see, like I said, right here in the middle I had a gap in my washi tape strip, so I had to put that label right there. I could have put the flower right there, but I wanted the whole of her feet showing next to the puppy. You probably can't see so great. Can you see the puppy wandering around her feet? That's what I wanted, you know, the pictures to be about. Is Puppy Playtime is my title, and I'm just telling about my dog Matilda, or Maddie. And so that was right after we got her, like within days of her coming to our house and then playing together. So instead of doing the string on each of the tags, I did a brad. Okay, let's see. I will have close-ups of each of the clusters at the end of the video. So if you are interested in seeing those up close, make sure you stay tuned for that. Otherwise, I will see you guys tomorrow with another layout from my February 2023 Counterfeit Kit Challenge kit. And this is a question that I've asked already. Do you have any of the older, close to my heart kits, like, you know, from 10 years ago or so that you haven't used up yet? Let me know. I'd love to know what you have left in your stash. Anyway, guys, I will see you guys on the next video. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.